What's up, guys? It's your boy Javon, and it's your girl
Shavon.
It's your girl
Shavon.
Alright, guys, we are back with another video, man. As you guys see by the title, we're gonna be doing a little vlog for you guys. Oh, let me say this first. We're gonna start doing daily vlogs, guys. Daily vlogs in our life, videoing what we're doing on a daily basis. Whether it's we're gonna literally video anything we do. I don't know. It could be little late in the bed doing nothing. So today, I don't know what we're gonna do today. I just pick the camera and start recording because we're gonna start doing daily vlogs, as I just mentioned. So yeah, babe, what's on the agenda today?
Fix this wig.
Oh yeah, guys, so look at babe doing. Look at babe doing. What the hell is you doing?
Y'all, I bleached my knots to like, I don't know.
Ooh, them edges though.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Man, that's my edges. No. Quit the video. We done. Dope.
Edges on fleek.
Shut up. Babe, don't show my hair.
Wait, what did you do, babe?
I don't know. I'm trying to fix it.
What is these, yo? God, what the hell is he doing? Bear.
I'm gonna throw this away.
Yeah, guys, like I said, guys, I don't know what we got on the agenda today. I don't know. It's a Friday. What we're doing today, babe? We're probably going to the movies later on. I don't know. Maybe. Probably going to cook some food or buy some food. No, we ain't going to buy them. We've been buying food all week, guys, so we're not going to buy no food. We're going to cook some. We're going to go in the kitchen. We're going to go shopping or something. I don't know if I'm recording or not, but yeah, guys, comment down below. Let me know what you guys doing today. Beautiful Friday. What you guys doing today? What's under y'all guys' agenda? I don't know what we're doing today. What we're doing today, babe? Should know what we're doing today. What you guys want us to do today? Okay, you guys don't know what you want us to do today. So yeah, we're just gonna record and do some journey with us. You know what? We're gonna name this title "What the Hell Babe Doing with Her Wig." What's she doing? I'm gonna name the title "What the Hell Babe Doing with Her Wig" because I just said we're gonna start doing daily vlogs, you know what I'm saying? So
It's pretty though. Look at it. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I love the color, but it's just this part, like this the closure part, like it's not working with me. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Not comfortable.
Yeah, guys, I was just chilling, making my thumbnail on my phone. Yeah, guys, I do make my thumbnails on my phone.
Yeah, we make our thumbnails.
I'm gonna go finish making my thumbnail, and then babe probably gonna talk to y'all.
Man, I'm gonna get pretty today, okay? I'm gonna have to do my makeup. Oh, what am I doing my hair?
You better fix some edges. That's what you about to do down here.
Babe, we should have went to the beauty supply yesterday so I could fix me a wig. Yeah, I'm gonna make me a bob wig.
Yeah, for them edges, huh?
This not going in the video.
Yes, it is.
Babe, no, I look a mess. No, we're not doing this one.
What do you mean we're not doing
We're
this?
not putting this up.
Guys, should we put this up just like how it is?
No.
Guys, we're gonna start doing daily vlogs, babe. We gotta do it. We ain't cutting nothing.
Babe, I look like the struggle happened 3 times.
Look, now she got in the face by a tiger. She was trying to hit me. Yeah, I was trying to hit me. Yeah. Smarter than demon on guard. Hey. Alright, guys, I'm finna go finish make this thumbnail, post this video. You dig what I'm saying. I don't know what we're doing today. We're gonna do something. Yeah. I caught her, guys. She's trying to make. Oh my god, she finna look like
Babe, are you recording?
Oh. Oh my god.
Leave me alone. Are you recording me? You're horrible, you know. Babe, stop.
What are those?
I'm trying to fix me.
So guys, Mr. No Edges over here decided that you wanted French toast. So we are making French toast. We already made one already, just to test it out. Just made one, making one. Who's hungry? And some toast. Some toast. Some toast. 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 Who's hungry? Who's hungry? So do you want to tell me how you're making your specialty? Guys, we might this might be the last video of the vlog for today because the camera is dying. So this might be the last part. You heard that?
Actually, we can put 2. Should I put 2? Should I put 2 in?
You can put 2. That's not about that, guys. So guys, this is going to help me in the kitchen to cook. No, I don't know how you cook this thing. Guys, the camera battery died, so the camera might fall off on me. But yeah, guys, like I said, we're going to start doing daily vlogs. We're going to do vlogs every single day. So today is Friday. This video should be today, Friday. Tomorrow, Saturday, we should be on another one, another one. So we're going to have to do the content for you guys, you know what I'm saying? Just love it so far. French toast. French toast. I don't know how to cook these. These are all day specialty. French toasty cup. Toasty cup. Toasty cup. Toasty cup. Toasty cup. Toasty cup. Alright guys, the toast is done. Ooh. Ooh. I'm trying to piece to see how it tastes.
How many you say you want to make? How many you say you want?
That's what it tastes.
Yeah, you gonna eat the food before we eat it. What it tastes like? It's sweet or no? It's like just a little bit sweet.
Yeah, it's a little bit sweet. Not that bad. It's not good. It's not bad.
Okay. Because you don't want it to be too sweet because might put syrup on it, but I know you probably don't put syrup on it.
Alright guys, so we got more toast. Now we got some eggs and some what?
Sausage.
Got eggs and some sausages. Yes guys, we do put sausage in the eggs. I'm pretty sure most of you guys do that, so we do that too. Oh, what? It's done?
No more. No more toast, baby.
Okay, let's go. We're gonna shake this up.
I'm gonna make me a regular toast, baby.
Regular toast. Yes, thank you. You guys see the smoke? It's still hot. Yes, guys, we're still at it. Eggs and sausage, breads and toast, empty plate, ugly face.
What?
This smell good. Guys, I've been saying this camera will die. It ain't die yet. So guys, we might end this video right here when we're done. Then we're gonna hit the movies. I don't think we're gonna video that. We're gonna video that now. So we're not gonna video that, guys. So. Until tomorrow. Next day. So guys, it's finally done. Other than lunch, you know what I'm saying? Lunch. Because what time is it? 1:44. And we just eating for our first meal of the day. You know what I'm saying? So you wanna be on the vlog? Wanna be on the vlog? You wanna be on video? Huh?
Can't
Hey,
see.
you gotta come over here, it's too dark.
What?
It's too dark.
I'm shy to be in
You don't be shy today.
Shy.
Okay. What you gotta say to the vlog? What you gotta say to the vlog? Huh? Say something. Say something. Say something.
Wait. Like, do y'all give out shout-outs to people?
Yeah, shout out yourself. Shout out yourself.
I don't have a Twitter.
Yeah, he don't have a channel. He don't have a
I
social
don't
media
have
yet. but-
Facebook. I don't.
Yeah, he don't have nothing yet, guys. So, in the future, look out for him. Remember his face. He's gonna be the next billionaire. Okay? Right?
Yes.
Alright,
Alright, guys. We're finished breakfast. So now I'm just eating my food. I made baked French toast. I didn't really like. I tried it. It was good. So that's all I needed to know. So yeah, we're just gonna eat right now. And then I'm watching the video we just uploaded. He surprised me with a promise ring. I'm watching that video now. I didn't watch it while he was editing. I only seen like a little bit, but I wanted to watch the whole thing, like be surprised and see, you know, be surprised again or whatever. So yeah, guys, we're just gonna eat right now, and we'll catch y'all in the next vlog. So yeah, see y'all later. Love y'all. Peace. Alright guys, I don't know if I said it before I ended the video. End the video. Make sure you guys subscribe to our channel. Like this video. Comment in the comment section below. And also hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time we post a video. So yeah guys, I'm fat full. Javon's probably just full. What you? Babe, how was your food?
It was good. She did a good job, guys. You guys should hire her for a chef. No. That's my personal chef.
Don't do that. Don't do that, boo boo. Don't do that. All I can make is ramen noodles. That's it.
Facts.
That's all I got is ramen noodles.
That's it. Facts. Yeah, guys. So we're gonna end this video right here. We're gonna start posting vlogs every day. We're gonna try so hard to post vlogs every day. What are you pointing right there for?
So you can look in the camera and say, "Look over here."
Ah, it's a habit. Cause what's the name is right? It's a habit.
There you go.
Really. Cool. Yeah, guys. So expect the next vlog tomorrow. One the next day, on the next day, on the next day. You already know the trips. Yeah.
Alright guys, see y'all in the next vlog. Peace.